Look at the ceiling fan, no matter how much it turns, it looks the same. So rotate it, turn it, spin it, does it still look the same? And that's rotational symmetry, means the shape looks same even after each rotation. We'll understand and define what rotational symmetry is, identify the shapes that which have rotational symmetry, and also find out order of rotational symmetry. Hi, I'm Avneet from Planet Spark. Let's start. What is rotational symmetry? A shape is said to have rotational symmetry when it looks the same after a rotation or a turn. Just have a look at the giant wheel. Even after taking so many turns, it is still looking the same. The figure looks same even after the rotation or a turn. It is known as rotational symmetry. Order of rotational symmetry is number of times a figure looks same in one complete revolution. Now, if we just look at the star that we are having, in this star, if I move it 5 times, now 5 times I'm moving it, and on these 5 positions it is still looking the same. So order of rotational symmetry is going to be 5. Order of rotational symmetry is number of times the figure looks same in one complete revolution. Now let's learn how to find out angle of rotational symmetry. Angle would be 360 degree divided by order, that is 360 divided by 5, which is 72. Again, in the flower, it looks same at 5 positions, so the order is 5, angle would be 72 degree. The regular hexagon, 6 times the figure looks same in one complete revolution, so the order of rotational symmetry is 6. Angle will always be 360 degree divided by order of rotation, 360 degree divided by 6, which is 60 degree. Let's come and find out the order of rotational symmetry of different figures. Square has order of rotational symmetry as 4. Angle of rotational symmetry is 360 degree divided by 4, which is 90 degree. Rectangle has order of rotational symmetry 2, and angle would be 180 degree. Rhombus, the order of rotational symmetry is 2. Kite, the order of rotational symmetry is 1. Parallelogram, the order of rotational symmetry is 2. Equilateral triangle, the order of rotational symmetry would be 3, and the angle would be 360 degree divided by 3, which is 120 degree. Isosceles trapezium, the order of rotational symmetry is 1, and hexagon, regular hexagon, it is 6. Let's learn what is center of rotation. Center of rotation is the point from where my figure rotates. I've marked center of rotation for a rectangle, a triangle, and a regular hexagon. Angle of rotation of a rectangle is 180 degree. Order of symmetry is 2. Similarly, for the equilateral triangle, angle is 120. Order of symmetry is 3. For a regular hexagon, angle of rotation is 60 degree and order is 6. So in today's video, we have learnt about rotational symmetry means the shape looks same after being turned from the fixed point. We learned about the center of rotation and the order of symmetry. This was Avneet from Planet Spark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe, book your free demo, check the link in the bio, or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching.